My name is Bill Spradlin. I'm a paralegal specialist at the James J. Lunsford Law Library in downtown Tampa. I will be your instructor for this video tutorial. We are not attorneys, so we cannot provide legal advice, but staff can provide information on resources and instruct you on how to use those resources. Westlaw has been around since 1975. Back then, the setup shown here would have been considered high-tech. The purpose of this tutorial is to give you a basic overview on how to use Westlaw. Westlaw's coverage is vast and can be intimidating. The customer may have to refine their query multiple times to either broaden or narrow the search results. Please check our other video tutorials for more detailed Westlaw tutorials. There are 3 locations that have dedicated Westlaw computers. 1 computer at the Bloomingdale Regional Library, 2 computers at the James J. Lunsford Law Library, and 1 computer at the Jimmy B. Keel Regional Library. For pro se customers, you can access Westlaw remotely. For remote access, you must set up a 1Pass account first. Links to create a 1Pass account, Westlaw link, and sign-in instructions for remote access are on the HCPLC site. Signing on is easy with your HCPLC card. On the left is the user agreement if you are using Westlaw at one of the locations within the HCPLC system. On the right is the Pro Se agreement for remote access to Westlaw. First-time users of remote access must click Create an account via the Create 1Pass profile link on the login page. After registration, you can continue to Westlaw. If you get a message saying that all seats are full, wait a few minutes and try again. You will have to keep trying until a seat becomes available. Once you're signed in, you have the search bar on top as well as tabs that separate large areas such as state or federal material. If you have a citation for a specific document, you can enter it in the search box, click enter, and go directly to it. To the right of the search box is where you will choose what jurisdiction your search will cover. You can choose a specific state or go wide and search all jurisdictions. Select your coverage and click Save. Having chosen Florida for the jurisdiction, let's type in the search and see what we get. You can use a natural language, which is similar to a Google search, just putting in a question, or you can use the old school Boolean searching of terms and connectors. On the right is the overview of the search results. Listed under the left under View is the breakdown by type of reference, such as cases, statutes, secondary sources, and more. For this demonstration, we're going to select Cases from View. To read the full text of any item, double-click the blue hyperlink. Here is the full text of the first case on the list. Notice that the search terms are automatically highlighted. After you have read the document, you can print, email, or download it. If you don't want a copy, just click on the Return to List button. You can also revise your query in the search box if the results are not on point. As seen on the left, there are tabs across the text of the case. These tabs are for what is called key cite, which is a way to verify that the case or statute is still good law, as well as expanding your research by citing you other items that have cited your case. Shown on the right is the Citing References tab. Each document listed cites this case. Be sure to check for yellow or red flags. Yellow means caution, red means stop. If either of these existed in this case, it would show on the opinion itself and under the negative treatment of key cite. There is another video tutorial on key cite that will take a deeper dive. Clicking on the delivery menu will cause a drop-down to appear. In most cases, you can email, print, or download your result list or full text of documents. While not common, there are some third-party documents that can only be printed. Email and downloads are limited to 20 documents per day. Print is unlimited. HCPLC has a very in-depth Westlaw subscription. However, there will be occasions when you'll see the out-of-plan sash. If the item is something you really need, you would have to contact Westlaw directly to arrange for payment, and this can be quite costly. You will not be able to access it via HCPLC. It is very important that you sign off Westlaw. If you just X out of Westlaw, the computer will read as being still in use. Click the Profile Setting button and then click Sign Off. This tutorial is just the tip of the iceberg. Think of Westlaw as a legal Google with full access to copyrighted materials. Having free public access is quite a coup. Westlaw offers a tremendous number of resources. Anyone can subscribe to Westlaw, but it is a very costly service. For more detailed tutorials on a range of topics, please see our other video tutorials.